Namaste and welcome, my dear Java learners. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of decentralized applications, often lovingly called dApps. You might have heard about them, especially with all the buzz around blockchain and cryptocurrencies. But what exactly are they, and why are they becoming so important? In this 5-minute tutorial, we will break down the core concepts of dApps in a super easy to understand way. We will explore what makes them different from traditional apps, understand the role of blockchain technology, and even peek at how Java developers like us can contribute to this exciting space. So, grab your virtual notepads, and let's get started. Whiteboard animation image, clean white background, dark marker handwriting. Show a whiteboard with the heading centralized versus decentralized. Split the board into 2 columns. Left column, centralized, with a simple diagram showing a single server, database, and multiple clients connected to it. Right column, decentralized, with a diagram showing multiple interconnected nodes, computers, with no central authority. Below the decentralized diagram, show a Java code snippet for a network node class, clearly boxed with syntax highlighting indicated. Neat teacher handwriting. No people. Landscape 16:9. Whiteboard animation image, white background, dark marker. Show a whiteboard with the heading blockchain, the distributed ledger. Below, draw a clear diagram of a chain of 3 blocks. Each block is labeled with data, previous hash, and current hash. Arrows connect the current hash of one block to the previous hash of the next. Below the diagram, show a concise Java block class code example in a box, including fields like data, previous hash, current hash, and a calculate hash method, with syntax highlighting. Clean educational style. No people. Landscape 16:9. Whiteboard animation image, white background, dark marker. Show a whiteboard with the heading Smart Contracts, dApp logic. Draw a simple flow diagram, user, Java client backend, smart contract, on blockchain, blockchain network. Emphasize smart contract as the core logic. Below this, show a complete, conceptual Java interface, simple smart contract with methods like execute transaction and query state along with a basic token contract implementation. Key lines of the Java code are circled or underlined to highlight the contract methods and their purpose. No people. Landscape 16:9. Whiteboard animation image, white background, dark marker. Show a whiteboard split into 2 columns. Left column labeled common misconceptions with 2 to 3 bullet points and red X marks, example, always faster, cheaper, easy to secure. Right column labeled important tips with 2 to 3 bullet points and green check marks, example, security is paramount, understand gas fees, Java for tools interfaces. Hand-drawn style. No people. Landscape 16:9. Whiteboard animation image, white background, dark marker. Show a summary whiteboard with decentralized apps explained as the main title. Below, list 4 to 5 key takeaways as numbered bullet points. 1. No central control. 2. Blockchain is the ledger. 3. Smart contracts run logic. 4. Java builds tools and interfaces. Include a keep coding motivational note at the bottom with stars and a call to action for subscribing. Clean, neat handwriting. No people. Landscape 16:9.